Nolo Online Legal Kits App. The pros, the cons. The Nolo Online Legal Kits app aims to simplify legal tasks for individuals and small businesses, but most people get this wrong when they think legal forms are confusing or inaccessible. The surprising truth is that Nolo offers step-by-step guidance, making it easier than ever to handle common legal matters independently. One major pro is comprehensiveness. The app includes kits for wills, business formation, landlord-tenant agreements, and more. Each kit comes with instructions, sample forms, and guidance on proper completion, helping users avoid costly mistakes. Another advantage is convenience. All forms are digital and can be completed at your own pace. Once finished, documents can be printed, signed, and stored securely. This flexibility is ideal for busy individuals or entrepreneurs who want to manage legal tasks without visiting a lawyer. However, there are cons. While great for standard situations, complex cases, such as multi-state businesses or contested estates, may require professional advice. Users also need to ensure forms comply with their local laws and regulations. In conclusion, the Nolo Online Legal Kits app is an excellent resource for those looking to manage everyday legal matters efficiently and affordably. It saves time, reduces confusion, and empowers users to take control of their legal needs. For straightforward situations, it works beautifully, but complex cases still benefit from professional review.